morning everyone. I hope you are doing well. In last class I was explaining about the different types of deltas. Okay, today I'll explain condition for formation of delta. So let's start. Suppose this is a figure of India. Okay, this is Brahmaputra, Yamuna, Ganga, Luni, Indus, Godavari, Krishna, Pennaru, Kaveri, Vaigai. Parallel drainage pattern. Southwest monsoon wind. This has the large capacity of sediment, so that these are deposited by the river. The sediment apply will be the layer of the erosive power of the greater is greater, since the Himalaya river have the greater power of erosion because their origin in the high mountain ranges. Hence the Himalayan river forms big delta. The longer course of a river, greater will be supply of sediment to the east flowing river of India are much longer, therefore of the east flowing river from big deltas. Uh, the Himalayan river flow through alluvial soil, while the peninsular river flow through hard rock. Hence, therefore, Himalayan river have large amount of sediments. The west flowing peninsular rivers are very short and swift, which quickly end their course into the Arabian Sea, and therefore they do not form delta. Size of the sediment should not be too fine or too small. Uh, Lighter should uh, be too large, because the fine sediment would be carried away by waves and tides, while the large sediment could not be carried by river to form deltas. Nature of the coast. Nature of the coast should be sheltered, should not deep. The western coast of India has more high velocity southwest monsoon wind, therefore waves and tides remain the sediment which was struck by the river, brought by the river. Another hand on the eastern coast, year of deposition have given rise to the emergence of the new land. Hence, we called eastern coast as an emerged coastline. A sloughs of the sea has ensured that sediment brought down by river not dissolved into the sea water and deposited on the coast. Geological stability, that is the reason of delta should not have more experienced submergence of a coast in the recent past. Therefore, the western coast, most of the river forms estuaries. The presence of the riparian buffer, such as large lake, will be filter of the sediment, reducing the size of a delta. The peninsular river have such a riparian buffer. Example: Chilika, Kolleru Lake. Therefore, deltas are comparatively smaller. River terrace, incised meander, river rejuvenation, Neck Point Delta, old delta, young, mature, and old rivers. It is the process of river becoming younger again. The earth crust never stable. This is continuous upliftment of the land or fall in the sea level, negative change, or there can be a positive change, that is submergence of a land mass or rise in the sea level. Due to the negative change as the sea level falls, river start engaging now in active down cutting, because to increase in the velocity of a river at point at which rejuvenation occurs is known as neck point. Uh, Neck point is a point waterfalls. The other waterfalls, the other feature with associated with rejuvenation are entrenched incised meander. It is a process of meander inside the meander due to active down cutting the river. Alluvial terrace, terrace, river terraces. The side of the river are raised due to the cutting down the footplace and from the side upliftment periplane. Upliftment river traces incised in the river channel. The flat featureless plain, which is formed at the end stage of the cycle of erosion, is known as peneplain. The peneplain is always near the level, but in the place of river rejuvenation, as the sea level has gone down, a new peneplain has formed while the older peneplain is formed at the greater height. The older peneplain is known as uplifted peneplain. Okay, I will end this video here, and tomorrow I'll meet you with the neat point, and hope you like the video. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.